Are you ready to embark on a coffee journey like no other? Look no further than the Nespresso Essenza Mini espresso machine by Breville. This petite powerhouse delivers big flavors in a small, sleek package, promising to elevate your coffee experience to new heights. The Nespresso Essenza Mini boasts a bold personality and a compact design. Its clean-cut lines and modern aesthetic make it a striking addition to any kitchen, no matter the size. Weighing in at just 5.95 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and portable, ensuring it fits seamlessly into any space you desire. This mighty machine offers versatility with two programmable coffee cup sizes, Espresso and Lungo. Whether you crave a quick pick-me-up or a more indulgent coffee experience, the Essenza Mini delivers. The high-pressure pump ensures your coffee is brewed to perfection, just the way you like it. No one likes to wait for their morning coffee, and with the Essenza Mini, you won't have to. It heats up in under 30 seconds, so you can enjoy your coffee without the agonizing wait. Plus, it's environmentally conscious with an eco mode that activates after 2 minutes of inactivity, an automatic shutdown after 9 minutes, saving both time and energy. But wait, there's more. This package includes the Nespresso Aeroccino 3 Milk Frother, your ticket to achieving the Café-Quality frothed milk for lattes and cappuccinos. With just a touch of a button, the Aeroccino 3 creates smooth, velvety hot or cold milk froth in seconds, all without the annoyance of noise or vibration. And when you're done, the anti-stick coating ensures effortless cleaning. Nespresso takes pride in sourcing some of the finest coffee beans globally, and that dedication to quality is evident in every cup. From cultivation to your kitchen, every step is infused with human care and creativity, resulting in a coffee experience like no other. Technical specifications. Dimensions. The Nespresso Essenza Mini measures approximately 12.9 inches in height, 3.3 inches in width, and 8 inches in depth, making it a compact and space-saving addition to your kitchen. Weight. As mentioned earlier, this espresso machine is incredibly lightweight, tipping the scales at just 5.95 pounds. This makes it not only easy to move around but also a great option for smaller kitchen spaces. Water tank capacity. The machine comes with a removable water tank with a capacity of 20.3 fluid ounces. This allows you to brew multiple cups of espresso or lungo without the hassle of frequent refilling. Brewing time. Thanks to its rapid heat-up system, the Nespresso Essenza Mini can reach its optimal brewing temperature in under 30 seconds. This quick turnaround ensures you can enjoy your coffee without delay. Pump pressure. The machine boasts a 19-bar high-pressure pump, a hallmark of Nespresso's commitment to delivering authentic and flavorful coffee. This pressure level is essential for extracting the rich, full-bodied flavors from your coffee capsules. Compatibility. The Essenza Mini is designed to work seamlessly with Nespresso coffee capsules, which come in a wide range of flavors and intensities to suit your preferences. Energy efficiency. As an eco-conscious choice, the machine features an eco mode that activates after 2 minutes of inactivity, reducing energy consumption. Additionally, it automatically turns off after 9 minutes of non-use, contributing to energy savings. Aeroccino 3 Milk Frother. The included Aeroccino 3 Milk Frother operates at a voltage of 110-120 volts and consumes 165 watts of power. It's designed to produce smooth, finely textured hot or cold milk froth quickly and efficiently. Warranty. Breville stands by the quality of its product with a 1-year limited product warranty, giving you peace of mind when making your purchase. In summary, the Nespresso Essenza Mini espresso machine by Breville combines sleek design, lightning-fast performance, and a commitment to sustainability and quality that's second to none. It's the ultimate coffee companion for both seasoned coffee connoisseurs and those new to the world of espresso. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your coffee game to the next level. Click the link below to make the Nespresso Essenza Mini espresso machine with Aeroccino 3 Milk Frother a part of your daily coffee ritual. Say goodbye to mediocre coffee and hello to extraordinary coffee moments.